Morning guys, my name's Briddy and welcome to my Homebody diaries. A little bit about myself: I'm a student and a small business owner. I'm currently moved out of home and I live with my boyfriend Clint, and I have two baby kitties, Nubbles and Mittens, who are my angels. I love them to death, and I'm the biggest homebody, although this week I actually made an effort to socialize and go out. Otherwise, most of the time I'm at home, like working and chilling out.
I was gonna get angry because I smelled it. It's so smelly. It made you mad.
Really?
Yeah, I was thinking,
What are you doing? What are you doing, Nubs? Nubbles always comes and sits here and looks outside at the view. That's such a great view, Nubbles. So I actually just got ready because I'm heading out to the city right after this, and I'm going with Clint and Ken, who's Clint's cousin, basically my cousin at this point, and I'm so excited because we're going shopping and eating. So we finally made it to the city, which is weird because I haven't been back in like a while. I normally don't go to the city, but I dragged the boys first thing to go Tony Bianco because I wanted these boots so bad, and I tried them on. They were so comfy and I've been wanting them for ages, so I ended up just getting them. I got the cream ones, so I splashed out on those, and then we went to Oxford because the boys needed to get a suit, but I ended up getting a suit for myself and it was like a men's blazer, which was so random. And then after we got some pastries, I got a matcha. I just bought this blazer today and I changed into it. It was so much nicer than the one that I was wearing, so I wore that to dinner, and we're eating at Toddy's. Toddy's is so good. It's kind of like, I don't even know what cuisine this is, but it's delicious. It's definitely European of some sort, and you get this bread, a bunch of sides, and then they have pastas as well, and like some mains, but like this is kind of all you need: the bread, the pasta, and the sides. So we were just eating this for like ages. We actually waited an hour and 15 minutes for our booking because we were not prepared. Like, we didn't even think we were going out that day, but it worked out in the end. And we also got ice cream right after this, which was so good. I got this ricotta and fig flavor. I love like cheese in ice cream. I don't know what it is. Hey baby. The POV. Excuse me. The nubs. Beep beep. Beep beep. Hey. Boop. Ah, no, Mitz. No. Mitz just used her mouth and picked up this entire thing of noodles. Excuse me. I'm currently making lunch and we're going out after. I'm getting a haircut, not me, Clint, but I'm coming with him. I'm also going shopping because I want some things and I never go shopping, so I thought it was time that I bought myself some stuff. I'm really excited about it, so get keen guys. I'm actually buying stuff today. And then later tonight, I'm gonna have dinner with a friend. Defrosting my chicken. I just made some glass noodle. This literally just has chicken, some choy, and some sauce and spice. I always put mala. If you don't know what mala is, it's like the best thing in the entire world. I put it on like absolutely everything because it makes everything really like numb and like spicy, which I like. I'm gonna gobble this up and then we're gonna go to the hair appointment.
Great. It's not worth it.
Split the center. I just want to braid it before we go. We made it.
Ah!
You okay?
My shirts.
Clint's like drying his shirts while we're walking around. I'm looking for a hoodie right now, and I'm looking for an oversized hoodie. So I came to Balenciaga in hopes to find one, except they were all too big for me, but I still went to go try them on. So let me know if you think any of these are cute. If not, also let me know, because maybe I can save some coin because I'm so keen on getting one. Not my little shoe stain. So I picked out two hoodies. I got this one, and then we have this one, but they're not my size, but I'm gonna try them on anyways. I'm gonna ask him again when we go out.
It's not that bad.
It's like a balloon.
It's not that bad.
Turn around for me. Ooh, that's cute.
I would have liked. Oh, that looks good. Oh, this is a good cut as well. This fits perfect.
I was looking for the Pinterest loafers here and I found them. I tried them on and I don't really like how they feel, but they look very cute though, I will say that. Okay, now it's time to part ways with Clint because I'm gonna go have dinner with a friend, and I also got a chai latte on the way, and we're going to go see the sunset at the pier, which is so beautiful. Okay, we're gonna go get some ramen. Yeah.
Oh, Gelato Riverina.
Yeah, that one.
It's really good.
Is it Italian or is it Turkish?
That's like a chewy?
Yeah. Oh my god, there's space. Fishy?
Oh, like good broth smell.
I was like, wait.
Yeah.
What were your thoughts on it?
I mean, I didn't really follow her. I just saw, I was like, oh, okay.
You're like, wait a second.
And then I moved on with life. Wait, this is really good.
After dinner we went to get some ice cream, and yes, this is the same place as we went to the other day, and then we wanted to walk back to like Chinatown, I'm pretty sure, or something, so we just went like through the harbor and they had fireworks, which was so cool, so we just like stood there and watched it for a bit because it was so nice. I like totally forgot that they still do this, but I don't know where I'd put this.
You can just drape it on your bed or your couch.
Yeah, I was thinking that I could just use it as like a cuddle pillow. I've just been writing in my diary and I'm trying to figure out my goals for the month ongoing, and I've just been at a massive like stop point where I feel like I don't know why, like I'm not even like burnt out, but I am burnt out, if that makes sense. Like I feel exhausted, but I feel like I shouldn't feel exhausted because I really haven't done that much, but I just feel so exhausted that I can't do that much, if that makes sense. And I've had a really bad sleep routine as well recently. I've been sleeping like super late. Like right now it's like 12 a.m, which isn't even like that bad. Like normally I've been like sleeping at like 2-3 a.m, which is like really bad because I need at least like 8 hours of sleep in order to wake up properly. I don't know, I found it been really challenging. I've also realized that for some reason I find it really hard to go out, like leave the apartment, and I don't know why. As much as it seems like I go out a lot, I really have to like push myself to leave, or unless if I'm doing something with Clint, which is where I'm like, do I have a codependency? Like I need to work on that. But yeah. Also look at this giant tub of Vaseline that I have. A few of my main goals I've written: edit and film vlogs, content, and then read more. I just break it down really simply, and that's just what I need to get done. And also study, of course, but like study is like on the back of my mind right now. That's where I'm at right now. I've been trying to be more active and proactive in catching up with people and seeing people, but it's just a strange thing because I feel like my 7 days a week are filled up with so many things, and a lot of that is like relationships in terms of like family commitments, because I'm moved out at the moment, so I have to see my family, but I also have to see Clint's family, and Clint has like a lot of family, and that takes up like all of our time. I also help my family out, which also takes up a lot of time, and then I end up using the rest of my time to, I guess, work on like all of my own things and do what I do in my own time. But that leaves 0 to none for socialization and all that kind of thing, which is where I've been trying to squeeze things in, and it's been making it really hard to balance both my family and then like just like socialness. I'm not even that social, guys. Like, you know, I'm an introvert. I don't like going out that much. I have a few friends that I love so deeply, and then that's just the end of the story. But like, I still need to like catch up with them. That's the thing. It's been so hard coordinating schedules and times and seeing when people are free, and I've just been struggling. I don't know why I struggle so much. That's it from me for now. I'm gonna go to bed. Nubble sleeps on my lap like this every single night. You like sleeping with mommy? You guys always think that I like knits more because I post more on my story on Instagram, but actually I love them both the same. And Nubbles actually cuddles with me. So I'm about to go to the city. I had a really big morning. I was working, and now it's time to go and have some fun. I'm hanging out with one of my really good friends, Reb, and we're going to surprise another friend, Chloe, and it's gonna be so good. She has a pop-up store in the city, so we're gonna go check it out and also like send them some goodies. This is my outfit for the day. It's a really cute one, if I do say so myself. And then of course I'm wearing sneakers because Guys, I'm not that girl. I can't wear heels. Bye, cat babies. I was actually meant to drive today, but Reb was kind enough to drive us because Clint had my car. I forgot why he had my car, but he did, and I couldn't drive us. So we made it to the city though, and we went to a bakery so we could pick up some pastries for all the girls and also some coffee. We ended up getting everyone matchas because we felt like that was the vibe that was going on, and we know they like matcha as well. So we went with that, and then also all the breads. I felt like we did a good variety as well. And then we went straight to the pop-up because they had a few hours until closing and they were just going to be busy. And look, it's like already busy. Or I mean, not already, it's still busy. So we were like, we gotta be quick. Look at Chloe's setup though. I'm so proud. And then after, Reb took me to go get some mala tang. This was so good. I love mala tang so much. It's like spicy numbing noodle soup, or just soup with whatever toppings that you want to put in there. So you can put noodles, you can put veggies, like proteins like meat, seafood, and all that kind of stuff. So like if you don't know what this is, you should go find one. It's called mala tang, Tang. And then we also got some froyo after. And then I went to go see Clint and his cousins after, and we ended up getting HSP like snack packs, which were really good. I told you guys this was going to be a really fun week, so Ness invited me to come do this fluid art activity with her, which was so much fun. Brianna and Alicia were also there, and yeah, this was so cool. I did a bear. You could choose from like smaller bears, medium bears. They also had like canvases, and I definitely was going to do a bear. And what you do is like choose your paints. So I did like white and pink and a different shade of pink, and that was going to be the color of my bear. And you have 2 cups full of this, and you like pour it all over the bear, and then it makes like this really cool like fluid art. So this was so much fun. I was thinking for a while what color I should actually make my bear, because I wanted it to match my apartment or have more potential to match my apartment, because I want to put it somewhere in my apartment. But then I ended up going with pink because I was like, okay, I like the color pink, and I know if I make it pink I will definitely be able to put it somewhere. Just I don't know where yet. Maybe like a bookshelf when I get a bookshelf. But yeah, my furniture is quite neutral. If you've seen, like my couch is neutral, my carpets are neutral. But yeah, I'm happy we went with the pink. What color do you guys think I should have done? Let me know, because I like the pink. Like I feel like this is really cute. Everyone else is looking good. After we finished the painting session, we went to go get some sushi for dinner. So this was really fun. We got sushi train. I got myself a big fat old green tea and also some udon noodles. And then we went to this place called Roji for some dessert. I love this place. They have the best desserts. It's just really cute and adorable. Also tastes really good. So we got black sesame and green tea iced. What is this called? It's kind of like a bingsu, but like not really. I guess you can just call it shaved ice. The next day I caught up with Brianna, and it was crazy because I literally did not think that we would meet in Australia. Like that is the craziest thing ever to me, just because nobody comes here. So anyway, she's the sweetest, and that's insane. Also, we went to have hot pot that night with everyone. Like there were so many of us, and it was honestly the best time. Got so much food. It's like a little mini hot pot situation. Like look at this Barbie meat roll tree. It was just a good time, and we also got some bingsu. But yeah, so that's the end of my week. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys so soon.